Hello there, I'm Jordi from JorDinner and welcome to a new episode. Today we are making lemon cookies. These are small, crunchy, but really refreshing cookies. They are delicious. So let's start.
First I'm grating some lemon zest with one whole lemon. Make sure you only grate the skin because the white stuff tastes bitter. Also squeeze in all the juice. Make sure you take out the pits because we don't want anyone breaking their teeth. Now add 3 tablespoons of powdered sugar, some olive oil, 1 whole egg, and mix these all together until there are no lumps left. Add 1 teaspoon of baking powder and a sprinkle of salt. Now add all the flour and mix it together until a dough forms. You can see my mixture is a bit too loose to roll balls with, so I'm adding a tablespoon of flour extra. Just look at the consistency of yours and add flour if needed. Let's make an assembly line. Roll a little ball from the dough. Roll it in the powdered sugar and put it on a baking tray. Repeat this step until all of your dough is used. Flatten them a bit with your hands and bake them in a 180 degrees Celsius oven for around 15 minutes. Leave them to cool and enjoy!
And that's it already. I want to thank you for watching. Enjoy baking and cooking. Make sure you subscribe to my channel and like this video and let me know down in the comments what you want to see next. It really helps me out. So thank you for that and I'll see you in the next one.